Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. As I just finished telling you, we're going to do a video in every class every day this week. And we are going to work multiplication problem, 2-digit by 1-digit. You have at your desk dry erase boards where you can follow along with me. You have in your journal multiplication charts where you can follow along with me. Probably the first day I'll just, work it myself, but after the first day there's a good chance that I might use this app I have. I'll tell you all about it later. Hey, you guys know stuff. All right, before I multiply, we're going to talk about estimating first. Estimating is done before you do the problem. If you do it at the end, you're not estimating, you're rounding. Estimating is done before you do the problem. Estimating is something that you should be able to do in your head. So if I were to estimate this, I would do 70 times 9. Because all I have to know now is my 9 times 7. Because if I have a 0 in the ones place, I can just bring that down here. So now all I have to do is know my 9 times 7. Which then I can look in my journal. 63. The estimate I came up with was 630. Now, is my estimate going to be greater than the actual answer or less than the actual answer?
Greater.
How do you know? Anybody? Just tell me.
Round it up.
I round it up. I move this 68 to a 70. So I'm multiplying 9 by bigger than 68. So that means this is going to be bigger. Now what I saw last week is we got answers that had we estimated ahead of time, you would have looked at and gone, ooh, that doesn't make much sense. Estimate first, it's going to make your life easier. Some people estimated 70 times 10 and got 700. But at least it gives us an idea. And the more you change it, the farther away your estimate's going to be than the real answer. Now all I have to know is my 9s. That's it. If you know your 9s, then this is easy peasy raw chicken squeezy. Now you can use any method you want. You can do it on your dry erase board using any of those methods we saw in that video. I like this method. It's easier for me. So then I just have to know 9 times 8, which is what?
54. Wait, 72.
72. So I have 72 ones. We don't just carry because that's what we do. We carry because we have 72 ones. Ones place times ones place. I have 72 ones. Nobody wants to carry around 72 ones. So we change 7 of them to 10s. So now I have 7 10s and 2 1s, which is a lot less to be carrying in your pocket. Okay, again, I just have to know my 9s. I'm multiplying by the 10s place here. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 7 is, say again?
61.
61. So I get 612. What is the inverse operation of division? Gave you the answer. Of multiplication is division. So I could check it if I wanted to. 612 divided by 9. I'm not going to right now, but I could check it if I wanted to. But again, I don't care how you get it. I just need you to make sure you know how to multiply. You have your multiplication chart in your journals. Use it. Unless I tell you otherwise, you're free to use it. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, please subscribe.